Greetings everyone, this is Elizabeth, and today I'm honored to be a part of the Orange and Black Hop, an event hosted by Crafters Video Collaborations and sponsored by Monica for tailor-made cards for you. Links will be in the description box, as well as the links for other participants. So be sure to hop on through all the links to see more black and orange inspiration for these lovely tailor-made cards for you printable kits. Today I am so pleased to present Retro Halloween. And these are just a couple. Pardon me while I readjust that. There we go. I have printed this on an old photo paper. For some reason, the black ink decided it didn't want to focus and work correctly. So I got this really cool bleeding effect, and I'm kind of digging it. So this is not an actual presentation of what quality you will get if you use good printer settings and a paper that is compatible with your printer. Now this is more like it. Look at these luscious luscious orange colors. Okay, these are just some of the bits that we get in our kit. These here are full-size 8.5 by 11 sheets, and I just sized them to fit on my page. And these here are 4 by 5.25. So once I trim those out, they'll be perfect for a card. These ones here, I just wanted to see what it was going to look like printed on actual photo paper, because it gives that glossy look. These are the little seed bags, and as you can see, they are so stinking cute. You would just trim them and make little seed bags. You can fill them with a candy, a special note. I did a little bit of testing and printed on acetate. Now, this particular acetate did not like my laser printer, or sorry, inkjet printer. The ink just sat right on top. You can kind of see it's kind of bubbly. So I was like, well, it's still sticky. So I dropped some super fine wow embossing powder on that and heat embossed it. And I've got to say, it's pretty cool. It's very ghostly image on there. And here's another one where I did not heat set it, and you can see it rubbed off. I thought, well, it's still a little tacky. Maybe I can hit it with some foil, and it did. I think maybe if I'd foiled it and also embossed it, I wouldn't have lost the image up there. And you can see, it's set a little bit more. Just needs a lot of time to dry. Another wonderful substrate to print on, vellum. Now, vellum's going to change the quality of the ink. That and my ink was starting to run out towards the middle of my printing. But again, what a fun little project. You can, again, fill it with candies, seeds for mums. You know, you can give these away, and then they can take these home and plant some mums or some fall, wintry seeds in there. If you print this big enough, you could even do a gift certificate on the inside. But look how cute those are on a vellum. So you get your full page background colors. You get 2 little seedlings. Now this one I'm going to chop up, and we're going to make a card with that. Here again, I was trying that photo paper, and this is when I noticed that it was bleeding, and I was like, oh no, but it's not too bad. I'm kind of impressed. And here is where the ink started to run out. Now here's my little advice for you. If your printer is running low on a specific color, but not all the rest, go ahead and keep running it. You're gonna get some crazy colors. don't be sad. Pink Halloween, granted it's not orange and black, but it'll still make a cute Halloween card. And I'm using the leftover ink to keep going and do some more printing. This is another sheet that you get in your kit. This one here is already put together. It's like a full background. You can print it any size that you want. You could cut these out, use it as is. And I'm thinking I need to do something in a frame so that I can hang that on my wall, because it's pretty awesome. You get a lovely set of 4 decent sized ones. You can trim these and pop these right on the card front and your card is good to go. And as you can see, it's this little guy there. We've got the cat there. We've got this little owl. So you don't even have to cut apart this. You can just print off what you need. And here we go. We get a full sheet of fun, spooky goodness. Again, sorry about the pink. Like I said, my printer decided to run out. I am currently waiting for more ink to come in. But until then, I can still play and make cards. And so you've got more of these goodies. Here's what this wonderful thing would look like normally. And this paper, which took the ink very well, is the Accent Opaque 60 pound. So you can keep on printing with whatever you have on hand. You can even use regular printer paper. And then this one, you can print out a full sheet, or you can crop. You can crop out just what you need, like I did here. I just cropped out a little row of that. Then I cropped out this little set right there for this. And now I can get to making a card. So let me put this in fast forward and see what we create. Enjoy the music. I'll be back. And here they are. Aren't they adorable? They have set and dried for a few hours while I was doing some other stuff. The glitter underneath the glossy accents, it's pretty cool. I might have to do that again. And then this one here with the little glossy accent on the owl really looks cute. And then in this little packet, we have our cute little coupons and fun little saying that we can send on. Just a neat little idea. Okay, and then this one is the fortune telling set. So I did a might be your lucky day with some numbers, and then a prophecy. You know, you're going to be kissed by somebody who really loves you, which is most likely if I give this to my hubby for his birthday on October 31st. While those two were drying, I did chop up that pink pack that I had didn't accidentally print it. It's how it printed, because I like to run out my ink. It makes interesting stuff. And I did a full heat emboss on those, and then I used the glossy accents on just some of the letters. So that turned out pretty cool, I think. And then this one, it was also pink, but I just went over it with some colored pencil, some alcohol marker for those in there, and then some gold pen to accent all of the stars. And again, those glossy accents for the teeth and the nose, anything that might be shiny, just highlight them and make them fun. So let me know what you think down in the comments below. And be sure to hit the thumbs up if you like the video. And check out the links in the description for the fellow hoppers who are also playing with black and orange themed goodies from the tailor-made, tailor-made cardsforyou.com. And that link, like I said, will be down in the description for you. I hope you had a fun time, and we will see you next time. Have a good day. Bye-bye.